Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the Nulea KM75 Advanced Ergonomic Wireless Keyboard and Mouse Combo. This combo aims to provide a comfortable and efficient typing experience. And after spending some time with it, let's see if it lives up to the claims. First off, the multi-device connectivity is a huge plus. The Nulea KM75 allows you to seamlessly switch between 3 devices using either a USB cable, a 2.4G USB receiver, or Bluetooth. The keyboard and mouse share a single 2.4G USB receiver, which is convenient. Switching between devices is as simple as pressing a button, and it works flawlessly with Windows, Mac OS, and Android systems. This is a great feature for anyone who juggles multiple devices throughout the day. One of the standout features of this combo is its focus on ergonomics. The keyboard includes a curved palm rest with a soft memory foam layer. This provides excellent wrist support and reduces wrist bending, which can help prevent discomfort during long typing sessions. The adjustable tilt design further enhances comfort by allowing you to find the optimal typing angle, whether you're sitting or standing. The ergonomic design truly makes a difference, especially for those who spend hours typing each day. The keyboard offers a comfortable and natural typing experience. The keys have a good amount of travel and a responsive feel, making typing feel smooth and effortless. The layout is standard, so there's no learning curve involved. The mouse is also designed with ergonomics in mind, fitting comfortably in the hand and providing precise tracking. The Nulea KM75 is also rechargeable, which is a great feature. You won't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries, and the included USB cable makes it easy to charge the keyboard and mouse when needed. The battery life is also quite impressive, lasting for several days on a single charge, depending on usage. In terms of aesthetics, the Nulea KM75 has a sleek and professional look. The black color scheme is understated and will fit well in any office or home setup. The build quality feels solid and durable, suggesting that this combo will last for a long time. Overall, the Nulea KM75 Advanced Ergonomic Wireless Keyboard and Mouse Combo is a great option for anyone looking for a comfortable, versatile, and reliable typing solution. The multi-device connectivity, ergonomic design, and rechargeable battery make it a standout product in its category. If you're in the market for a new keyboard and mouse combo, the Nulea KM75 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.